Hi, I'm Max Tucci, celebrity chef and lifestyle expert. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mustard butter basting sauce for chicken. It's very simple. We need some olive oil, a bottle of beer, some mustard, and some butter. And what you're going to do is put some olive oil in your pan at a medium heat. Make sure that it's nice and hot, that pan. Add in a full bottle of beer. And then we're going to take some mustard and half a stick of butter, or if you want, take the whole stick of butter. I had a half of butter left over, so I'm using half. I don't like to waste things in the kitchen. Get that mustard into the pan. Go put that heat up just a little bit. I had it on medium. I'm going to put it on to about medium, right in between medium and high, just so we get things cooking. And then I'm going to throw that half a stick of butter right into that olive oil, beer, and mustard. And we're going to take that. You could hear that beer sizzling. And then we're going to get that butter. It's just going to melt nicely and get that all mixed together. And when we're done, we're going to have a mustard butter basting sauce for chicken. I'm Max Tucci, and thanks for watching.